Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Paksiw na pata, a beloved Filipino dish. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of pork hock, 1 cup of vinegar, half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a head of garlic, 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, and half a cup of dried banana blossoms. Make sure your pork hock is clean and ready for the pot. Next, we'll start building those rich flavors. Begin by browning your pork hock in a large pot over medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until golden. This step adds depth to the dish. Then, toss in your crushed garlic, whole peppercorns, and bay leaves. Pour in 1 cup of vinegar, half a cup of soy sauce, and enough water to just cover the pork. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Once the mixture reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently. Now is the perfect time to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Stir it in until it completely dissolves, allowing its sweetness to balance the tanginess. Then, add your half cup of dried banana blossoms. These will absorb the delicious sauce and add a unique texture to your Paksiw na pata. Continue to simmer. The final step is all about achieving that perfect tenderness. Continue to simmer your Paksiw na pata for at least 2 to 3 hours, or until the pork hock is incredibly fork tender and the sauce has thickened slightly. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary, adding a little more soy sauce for saltiness or sugar for sweetness. Serve this delightful dish hot, ideally with a generous helping of steamed white rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.